Yes, Daffy, what's going on? What's going on? Really? Go get Emily. Yeah, get Emily. Where's Emily? Really? What's she doing? Make sure she doesn't fall off. Go over there and make sure she doesn't fall off. Go. Go get her. Go get Emily. I'm not Emily. Got a silly dog. What do you think? Where'd she go? You say, Daffy. Oh, well, Daffy found me. See? She moved the camera. Hey, babe. Yeah? What? What? Really? Is there something out there? What's out there, girl? What do you think? Ooh. What happened? Emily, don't do that. That's kind of scary. Really? Can you get down? Do you need help getting off the couch? She does? I don't know. She can do it. You gotta go feed first. Ooh, Emily, what are you doing? That's scaring Mommy. Oh my. Are those the pictures of Mommy and Daddy? Gentle. Ooh, good, gentle. Yes, gentle. Kisses. You got kisses from Daffy. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yes, good kisses. See you later. Ew. Good job, Emily. Way to go, feet first. Oh. Okay. Really saying bye-bye this time, Emily. See you later. Bye-bye. 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 Think. Thank you, Daffy. Daffy.